In this video, I am providing solution for question 4 from class 10 Maths NCERT exercise 3.2 from linear equation. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the information about our coming videos. So this is exercise 3.2 and I am covering question 4 which has been highlighted by a red boundary. In this question we have been asked which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So this is the first part of question 4. According to these two equations, that is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, we find that a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5 and a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 10. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 10 and that is equal to half or 1 by 2. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. As you observe that all of them are 1 by 2. Hence, lines are consistent. From equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 5 or x is equal to 5 minus y. Let y is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 0 and that is equal to 5. Let y is equal to 2, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 2 and that is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. All the three sets of values in a table, we find that x is equal to 5 for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 for y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 for y is equal to 4. From equation 2, that is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 or 2x is equal to 10 minus 2y or x is equal to 10 minus 2y divided by 2. So this is equal to 5 minus y. Let y is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Let y is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Let y is equal to 5, therefore x is equal to 5 minus 5 that is equal to 0. Arranging all these three sets of values in a tabular form, we find that x is equal to 4 for y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 for y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 0 for y is equal to 5. Now draw two lines, one horizontal to the paper and one to the paper. The horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Now mark the scale on the paper as shown in the figure. Now mark all the points from the two tables and the first point which has been shown by a red arrow is 5, 0 from the first table. This is the second point from the first table 3, 2. This is the third point from the first table 1, 4. This is the first point from the second table 4, 1. This is the second point from the second table 2, 3. This is the third point from the second table 0, 5. Now join all the points by a straight line. So as you observe, all the points from the two tables are lying on the same line. So this is the case of coincident lines. That means both lines are lying on the same plane and at the same points. This is the second part of the question, and first equation is x minus y is equal to 8 and the second equation is 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So by observing these two equations we find that a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 8 and a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 16. Therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 3. So that is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 16. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. Hence, lines are inconsistent. This is the third part of the question. And the first equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. By observing these two equations, we find that a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 6, and a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 upon minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 4, so that is equal to 6 upon 4, that is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Hence, lines are consistent. From equation 1, 2x plus y is equal to 6 or y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Let x is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. So this is equal to 6 minus 0, this is equal to 6. Let x is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 6. 1. So this is equal to 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Let x is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. So this is equal to 6 minus 4 and that is equal to 2. Now arranging these three sets of values in the table, we find that x is equal to 0 for y is equal to 6, x is equal to 1 for y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 for y is equal to 2. From equation 2, we find that 4x minus 2y is equal to 4 or 4x is equal to 4 plus 2y. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 2y divided by 4. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2y. Let y is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2. So this is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Let y is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 4. So this is equal to 1 plus 2, so this is equal to 3. Let y is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6. So this is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Now arranging these three sets of values in a tabular form, we find that x is equal to 2 for y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 for y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 for y is equal to 6. Now mark the three set of values from table 1. So this is the first point, that is shown by a red arrow is 0, 6. This is second point, 1, 4. This is the third point from first table, 2, 2. Now join all the 3 points by a straight line. Now mark all the three set of values from the second table. So this is the first point, 2, 2. This is the second point, 3, 4. This is the third point from second table, 4, 6. Now join all the three set of values, that means the 3 points, by a straight line. So we find that both lines are intersecting at 2, 2. So the solution is 2, 2. This is the fourth part of the question, and the first equation is 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the second equation is 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, by observing these two equations, we find that a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 2, and a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 4, and c2 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 4, that is equal to 2 upon 4, and that is equal to 1 by 2. c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 5, so this is equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. Hence, lines are inconsistent. Thanks for visiting my channel https://youtube.com/stpeterscoaching.